So I gotta thank this comment. It has inspired this video. He writes, I had one of those meals. I promise she's not doing it all by herself. It's pretty labor intensive. It's in response to this reel titled, Doesn't Let a Large Log Stop Her. This log was around 44 inches or something. And sure, I am not doing it all by myself. I'm just doing the milling part.
Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete. I got my eyes on you, and you got no clue what I'm supposed to do. I can't help myself. Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete. No, you wouldn't take what's not yours, if you know who I am. When the night will fall, I'll haunt your dreams. Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete.
Keep talking good, keep talking sweet, keep sugar on, baby. I got you good, I got you sweet, got you on hold. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. My baby knows what I'm all about, what I'm all about. Keep moving fast, keep moving slow, keep rhythm on, baby. You
Well, I should say I'm doing the milling part nowadays. When Charlie and I returned to milling, he took the role of Sawyer, and I was supposed to be the camera lady. But I found myself spending a lot of time standing around watching the cameras roll, so I started to offload the lumber. And then I kept doing it since it made the process a lot more efficient. But after a few weeks of this, we switched places.
So I am going to be switching things up today, and Charlie, I am a little bit tired of lugging all this lumber around. And I went to the doctor last week, and my abs are not together. Funny story, when you have 4 babies, at least in my experience, your abs, it's a whole thing. We don't need to get into all the gruesomeness. But yeah, I shouldn't be doing this. My cores aren't together. That's a whole nother thing.
And so now Charlie does all of the offloading. I'd say that's pretty labor intensive. He also does all of the maintenance, although I do try to help where I can, just hold a wrench or whatever, nothing crazy.
And how do we know how do we reference it? Like,
Also a good question.
I'm here all day.
Can you not please?
You need me?
Yes.
Okay.
Whenever. Drop it. The chain.
Sure.
Snap. And it just.
And Charlie also adjusts the mill so it's in position. I simply just walk back and forth and try to keep the blade flipped in the right position.